Nope.
Nice.
I don't even think you can see the giant fucking puddle.
Wait, oh.
They're gonna be like, what the fuck are these bitches doing? Oh. Hey, we're just chilling.
Put the hazards on.
Fucking stupid.
I feel like I'm in the jungle. Oh shit, there's a
Oh my god, you should
back through it.
Are we really?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, there's a bumper like, yeah, accelerate. You're on, okay. I'll turn this.
This is fun. That'd be really cool to take action shot pictures.
I'm taking a video.
I meant like when I'm going through it. Like on the outside, you know? Okay. Oh shit, where's the bump?
I don't know.
Oh god. Oh, this is terrifying. Where's the bump?
There it is. No, you can't see it spraying everywhere. Oh my god, there's another. Fuck you, goddammit.
Ah! Like my brakes went out.
Oh, fantastic. Okay.
Wait, my brakes work still? Oh, they're off.
That's
Look at this is on my brakes. Oh shit. Yeah, I need some new brakes.
The way that bump over here is like really bad, the dip. What if it's full of water?
No, my thing's clogging. Brakes aren't working too well.
That's great. Does it even flood over here?
Oh, bullshit.
Okay. I'm gonna wait. Is there an app where you can edit videos? And make them like shorter?
Oh.
I fucking knew it. I was gonna. Oh my god, that is terrifying! That is way too much. Oh god. Fuck.
Oh, it feels like I got water in the car.
That's not. Okay.